Dang, this is beautiful just as it is. To be honest, I don't really know if I'm going to use Hooklab the way that I'm supposed to be using it, because I think that this is just a dope instrumental in the first place. This guy's got great tempo control. He just made a song for me, basically. This is insane. All right, we need some drums for this. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're in the, I was like, I gotta go to, I forgot we have the browser in the DAW, and I was trying to get out of the browser to go back to the DAW, but the browser's in the DAW. Let's see if we can use one of these vocalists for adding some vocals onto this, and then we can use Hooklab for that. There is some audio that might mess up this, but let's just try it, because we can separate the stems. Let's go ahead and get the stems from this. There was some melodies in the background that might mess things up, but hopefully the stems will be able to separate the vocals from everything else. We're just gonna go to Edison and record them in. Yeah, I feel like that right there is a dope song. Obviously, I can do a lot more to polish things up and make things sound a little better, but less is more sometimes. I don't want to overcomplicate it. I was not expecting the first piano to just be literally a song made for me. Like maybe like a rod wave type of thing or some sort of emotional piano. If Cymatics is giving away Hooklab, I think you should go to the stream. Go watch the stream, go get Hooklab. If they're still giving it away, they might not be. It might be paid for from now on. But Hooklab is crazy. I'm excited to keep messing around with this, and I'll keep cooking up and showing you guys what I end up making with it. Peace.